Are you interested in cryptocurrency but don't have the time to constantly monitor charts or learn complex trading strategies? Strovemont Trust offers an advanced solution that removes the hassle by fully automating your investment process. Powered by cutting-edge technology, all trades are executed automatically, significantly reducing your daily effort. You can set up your account in just a few minutes and start investing right away. By registering through the link in the description, you will gain full access to all features along with an exclusive welcome bonus. Strovemont Trust is more than just a trading tool. It's a secure and efficient investment platform designed for modern investors in Canada. Whether you're a beginner or someone tired of manual trading, it provides a smooth and intuitive experience with a user-friendly interface. The AI operates 24/7, continuously analyzing the market, identifying opportunities, and adjusting strategies in real time. Everything is customizable according to your goals and risk tolerance, and no prior trading experience is required. Once set up, the system automatically manages and optimizes your portfolio. When you sign up via the provided link, your welcome bonus is activated instantly. One of the key advantages of Strovemont Trust is its self-learning AI technology. Unlike traditional bots that rely on fixed rules, this system evolves with the market, constantly refining its strategies. It makes data-driven decisions without emotional bias, functioning like a personal financial advisor working around the clock. Security is also a top priority. The platform complies with KYC and AML standards and uses advanced encryption to protect user data and assets. All information is stored securely in the cloud. Registration is simple, support is responsive, and the platform is designed to be accessible even for beginners. Once your preferences are set, the AI handles everything automatically. The welcome bonus is available only through the official registration link. Strovemont Trust is not focused solely on short-term gains. It is built for long-term wealth growth. From portfolio diversification to passive income generation, it adapts to your financial goals while supporting steady progress. However, full access and exclusive bonuses are available only while the invitation link remains active. Using sophisticated algorithms, the system processes large volumes of market data in real time, combining historical patterns with current trends to make accurate decisions. This allows for stable and flexible performance even during periods of high market volatility. Cryptocurrency investing doesn't have to be complicated. Let Strovemont Trust handle the technical side, while you focus on your goals and long-term financial freedom. Click the link in the description now to get started and claim your welcome bonus.